Hello, in this video I'm going to show the speed up checks on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Okay, let's open up the settings and let's begin with developer options. So open up the settings and now scroll all the way down until you find About tab. And now click on software information, and in here we have a build number. We need to tap on it a few times. Now click on OK to launch the developer mode. And now scroll down, click on developer options, and in here we need to find 4 specific options that we need to change. So let me only find them, and they should be somewhere around here, but I think that, oh, actually not. Okay. It's animation duration scale, transition animation scale, and the window animation scale. You can see that all 3 of them are currently set on 1x, but to improve the speed of our device, we can select them completely on, off, or we can select 0.5 at least. For me, a perfect balance between off and 1x is 0.5, so I always keep that preset. Now let's scroll down a little. And under apps we have the background process limit, and here we can also select a mode. At most 3 or at most 4 processes, one of those 2. You just need to simply pick which mode you like most and select that. Okay, that's all in developer options. Now on the left side, let's click on the device care. And sometimes in here, in the place where it says great, there's a chance that you might have an optimize button. In my case, I don't have it, so I'm not available to click it, but if you have that possibility, you should do this. Now let's click on memory, and in here we can clear some junk files to speed up our device a little bit. It's always good to do it, just like that, pretty easy thing. Also, let's click on the software update and let's click on download and install. It's always good to have the latest version of our software. In my case, as you can see, I have the update downloaded, so I don't need to do anything. But if you have possibility to download an update, you should simply do this ASAP. Okay, also we have the auto optimization, which can boost our performance. And now we can select the auto restart down below. We can select restart when needed or restart on schedule. Always like the schedule. Restarting your device regularly, for example, once a week, it's good for your device health and its performance. So let's say that each Saturday at 3 AM, our device will be automatically restarted and we don't need to do it manually. Also, during the restart, our phone, not the phone, but tab, rests. The RAM gets freed up, and that is why it can help with performance of our device. So that's what we should select. Next thing, if you have some of the apps that you are not using, you should simply uninstall them. So let's say I'm not listening to the Spotify, simply hold on the icon and click on uninstall. Thanks to that you get some free storage space, and if you have more storage space, your device works simply faster, so it's always good to do it. During the day, if you open up the recent apps, there's a chance that you have a lot of apps opened in the background. So it's always good to simply close them manually, just like that. Thanks to that, we also free up our RAM, and our device might start working faster. If you want, from the Play Store, you can download some third-party cleaning apps to simply organize the space on your device and clear junk files, for example. But in my personal opinion, the cleaner that we have built in on our device is completely enough. But if you want, of course, you can download something. And as a last thing, I'll show you how to perform a reboot manually. To do it, we need to launch the power menu. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time for a few seconds, just like that. And now tap on the restart, tap once again. Now our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on and it will be ready to use. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.